it's Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to customize your iPhone using the new iOS 14 update. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. Okay, so a few days ago, Apple released the iOS 14 update, which is the best update ever, like so far, simply because it allows you to customize your iPhone. So instead of just having like a regular background on your iPhone, it allows you to customize it like this. So actually the person who put me onto this update and like customizing my iPhone is Love Reese. So I'm gonna leave her channel down below in the description box. So make sure you check her channel out too. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I customized my iPhone with iOS 14. There are a few apps that you need to download if you wanna have like a seriously bomb and unique iPhone background. Those are Pinterest, Photo Widget, Widgetsmith, and I think it's called Fonts. Those are the 4 apps that I use to customize my iPhone, so that's what I'm going to be showing you right now. So this is what I have my iPhone currently looking like. So as you can see, I have the calendar up here at the top that says Monday the 21st of September. Then I have a picture of me and my boyfriend, and then you can see all of my apps are different icons. They're not like the regular icons. So I'm just gonna show you how I did that. So as you can see, I have this one app right here. I have Instagram right here at the top. So what you wanna do is click on Instagram, right? And then edit home screen. Okay, do you see the plus at the top? You're gonna click that, and then it will show you all of your widgets. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna show you how to add the calendar widget. Let's do Widgetsmith. Well, I already have my customized one, but if you want to do that, you open up Widgetsmith and it's going to be medium. So add medium Widgetsmith, and then you see that pop down this black one. So what I'm going to do is edit the default one. You can change what it says, like it just says like 11:46 a.m., 11:46 the day right here, 11:45, the 21st or whatever. So for this, I'm gonna use this one with the analog clock, and it's like the location is New York because that's where I'm at. The clock style is in numerals. If I wanted to change it, I could change it, but I'm gonna keep it in numerals. The font is rounded. So I kind of always like the New York fonts. So I'm gonna, but just to be a little different, I'm gonna do the Noteworthy font, just so you guys can see it. The tint color, it's in white right now. I'm gonna turn it into, let's make it gray. Maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna pick a background color. Actually, the background color I'm gonna pick is going to be cream, so I'm gonna go back into tint color and make it black. And go back into this background color, and I'm gonna scroll all the way down because it does border colors, and I like to have the black border around that too. Okay, so go back. And I'm just going to save that widget. Then I'm going to go, I'm going to go back to where Instagram is, edit home screen, and add, go to Widgetsmith all the way at the bottom, and it's add Widgetsmith. Okay, and I'm just going to edit right here, going to tap on it. I'm going to hit edit Widgetsmith, medium number 2. There we go. And then that's how you get the analog clock. Well, that's how you get the clock at the top of your screen. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to add like the photos of yourself. So we're gonna hit this again. We're just gonna edit the home screen. We're gonna add another photo widget. I think I only have one photo in Photo Widget, and they come in the same size as small, medium, and large. So I'm gonna add a small one. Add this widget, and it's just automatically set up to a picture of me and my boyfriend. I'm just gonna move that down. Actually, I want it to be on the right side because that's just where I have mine right here. I just want it to be on the right side, so I just moved it over to the right side, and boom. That is how I got the picture of me and him. So what you want to do is tap on the home screen, edit home screen, tap that plus at the top, and then you're gonna go to Photo Widget. And then let's say I wanted to make it a really big one. I'm just gonna add widget, and then boom, there's a picture of me right at the top. Now I'm done with that. That could kind of be my second screen. if I wanted it to be set up like that. That's actually kind of cute. So you can mess around with these to make them whatever size you want. If you want it to be small, if you want it to be medium, if you want it to be large. I just chose to make it large at the top just so I could show you the difference. The medium is where the calendar is. So if I wanted to put the calendar at the top, I would just switch them over like that. Boom. I kind of like the way this looked instead, the original way. I don't like that. Boom. So the next thing I'm going to show you how to do is to change the icons on your phone. So you can see right here, I just have like the regular basic Instagram icon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Shortcuts app. Everybody should have this app on your phone. It comes with the update. I don't think it's one of those apps you can delete, but if you did delete it, go ahead and reinstall it. So what you're going to do is to click on the plus sign at the top of the Shortcuts app and hit add action. Sorry for that noise. I'm filming by my window and people just don't know how to let me be great. And what you're going to do is you're going to write open app. And then you'll see the open app right there with all the little squares, the colorful squares and stuff. You click on that, and I'm gonna say I want to use, actually that Instagram one was a bad one to use because I'm not gonna use that. I already have that set up. I'm just gonna use, let's say I want to open up my Chick-fil-A app, right? So I want to open up the Chick-fil-A app. So now I'm going to hit the 3 dots that are under the word next. Gonna hit that, and it says shortcut name. So I'm just going to click that right here. I have the fonts app. That's why I told you guys download fonts. I have the fonts app, and I'm going to use the font typewriter, and I'm gonna write Chick-fil-A. Give me a second because it's gonna take me a while to do this. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit add to home screen. And I'm going to click that little, the little box that's next to the shortcuts. That's like the 2 squares stacked on top of each other. That's like highlight. I'm going to click that. And I'm going to choose photos. I already have some photos that I downloaded off of Pinterest. That's why I told you to download Pinterest. So if you want an aesthetically cohesive lock screen and phone and all that good stuff, download Pinterest. Right now, I'm just using, all the photos that I have came from like the hashtag Black Girl Luxury. So I'm just gonna pick this one right here that has like the glass of water and stuff. And I'm gonna choose that, and I'm gonna hit new shortcut again. I'm gonna delete that name. I'm gonna go back into typewriter and just write Chick-fil-A. Alright, I'm gonna hit add. I'm gonna hit done. Right, done, and I'm gonna hit done again. So when you swipe out, the app that pops up is the Chick-fil-A app, and that's how you change the fonts under your icon and your icon image. So when I click on that, of course it opens shortcuts, but it also does open the Chick-fil-A app. Another really cool thing you can do is hide your phone screen, like hide your different screens. I'm not completely finished with my phone just because I have a lot of apps, and it's gonna take me a long time to do this for all of them just to see what kind of layout I would like. Me personally, I'm kind of picky, so it's gonna take me a while. So what I've done is I've hid my screens. All the other screens that I haven't done yet, I've hid them so nobody else can see them besides me. How you hide your screen is, once again, you press and hold one of your apps. Okay, sorry, I guess I just did that. And you hit edit home screen. You see that second bar at the bottom that shows your screens? You tap onto that. So as you can see right now, I have 4 screens that are open. I really only want to have 1. For this purpose of the video, I opened up 2 more. But what I'm gonna do is hit the check marks until they like become muted out, and then hit done, and then hit done again. And now these are the only screens that I have left. Everything else just goes like straight into something else. And that's how you hide your screen for the time being until you're completely done customizing your phone. So that is it. That is how you customize your iPhone and your widgets using the iOS 14 update. If you guys found this video helpful for you, please give me a big old thumbs up and write that down in the comments. Also, if you guys use this video to update your phone, tag me on Instagram in your stories, like screenshot your home screen and tag me on Instagram so I can see it, because I really love looking at everybody else's phone screens. It gives me a lot of inspiration. So I'm just gonna put my Instagram right here so you guys can tag me at my Instagram just so I can see it. If you didn't get to at the beginning of this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.